Hi, I'm John Noter, Director of Government Affairs for ISSA, the Worldwide Cleaning Industry Association. And this is your update on the top 3 legislative and regulatory issues impacting the cleaning industry and how you can get engaged. Topic 1, the cleaning industry went to Washington. On March 30th and 31st, more than 50 cleaning industry leaders hiked Capitol Hill as part of the 2022 Clean Advocacy Summit. The event took place in Washington, D.C. as part of National Cleaning Week. During this 2-day premier ISSA advocacy event, participants were one of the first groups in nearly 2 years to gain access to the U.S. Capitol, and these advocates were able to meet with more than 40 congressional offices to help educate members of Congress and their staff about the importance of the cleaning industry and to advocate for the reinstatement of the employee retention tax credit and other healthy workplace incentives. We hope to see each of you next year at the 2023 Clean Advocacy Summit. Topic 2, support for the Employee Retention Tax Credit Reinstatement Act continues to grow. The bipartisan ERTC Reinstatement Act has now more than 80 co-sponsors in the U.S. House of Representatives. ISSA is working with a coalition of more than 70 industry groups urging for swift passage of the legislation to restore access to this important tax credit for small businesses. Topic 3, ISSA applauds introduction of the Essential Workers for Economic Advancement Act. The long-standing labor shortages continue to be a pain point for the cleaning industry. To help with this issue, ISSA has proactively advocated for the establishment of a non-seasonal temporary worker program for the establishment that would allow businesses to legally hire foreign workers to fill essential jobs when American workers are not available. We are happy to announce that on March 28th, U.S. Representative Lloyd Smucker of Pennsylvania introduced this bill, which would create such a program. The program is similar to the very popular H-2B visa program used by seasonal businesses. ISSA will continue to advocate and update our members on these important issues. And this was your Cleaning is Essential, 3 things you need to know this week. You can sign up to receive ISSA's free legislative and regulatory e-newsletter by going to issa.com/take action and by becoming an advocate for clean today.